Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare fair higher versus lower. We'll explore what fair value means and why its determination is so important across various financial contexts. Understanding whether a higher or lower valuation is more advantageous depends entirely on your perspective and role in a transaction or financial assessment. We'll delve into the specific implications for different parties, helping you grasp the nuances of this critical concept. A higher fair value is generally seen as beneficial for sellers, as it translates directly into greater proceeds from a sale. For businesses, it can significantly strengthen the balance sheet, presenting a more robust financial picture to investors and creditors. This improved financial standing might lead to better terms on loans or increased investment opportunities. It often signals strong market confidence or the unique value of an asset, making it an attractive position for current owners. Conversely, a lower fair value is typically advantageous for buyers, allowing them to acquire assets or businesses at a more attractive price point. This can create significant opportunities for strategic growth or portfolio diversification without overspending. A lower valuation might also suggest that the asset is undervalued, offering substantial potential for future capital appreciation. Additionally, in some scenarios, a lower fair value could lead to reduced tax obligations, providing another financial benefit. Ultimately, whether a higher or lower fair value is better is not a universal truth. It's entirely dependent on your position. Sellers will always aim for the highest possible valuation, while buyers naturally seek the lowest. For accounting and regulatory purposes, the goal is to establish an objective and unbiased fair value that accurately reflects market conditions. This ensures transparency and provides a reliable basis for all financial decisions, benefiting all parties involved in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.